This educational video is intended to help children build their vocabulary for the purpose of their general knowledge, as well as to improve their scores on state and other standardized exams. Please pause the video to read the purpose, scope, and warnings related to this video. This video has a free student engagement worksheet that can also be used as a quiz. It's available in many formats. Please see the link in the description to download this. In this video, we'll learn the definition of these words. We'll do that by focusing on the meaning of the word parts, which make up each word. The root cent means 100. A cent is sometimes called a penny. Each dollar is made of 100 cents. The symbol for cents is the letter C with a line through it. For example, this candy is 25 cents per serving. A dime has the value of 10 cents, and a quarter has the value of 25 cents. The word centigrade is made of two word parts. The second is grade, which means step. Centigrade means 100 steps. Metric thermometers have 100 steps between the temperature at which water freezes and the temperature at which water boils. We call each step a degree of Celsius. The word centimeter is made of two word parts. The second is meter, which means measure. A meter is the metric measure for distance. It's about the length of a yardstick. Each meter is made of 100 centimeters. As with temperature, it's easier to work with distance when we use a scale based on 100. That's one of the reasons why scientists and engineers use the metric system. The word centipede is made of two word parts. The second is pede, which means foot. A centipede gets its name because it has many feet. If we were to take the word literally, then a centipede should have 100 feet. In reality, common centipedes have about 35 feet. The word century refers to 100 years. When we look at a date, we can tell what century that year is in by dividing by 100, then adding 1 to the whole number. For example, this portrait of Isaac Newton was painted in 1689. We divide the date by 100, which means we can move the decimal point to the left by 2 places. That gives us a whole number of 16. Next, we add 1, which gives a total of 17. That means this portrait was painted in the 17th century. Likewise, we can calculate that this 2024 New Year's celebration happened in the 21st century. And if this city was built in 56 AD, then that means it was built in the 1st century. The word percent is made of two word parts. The first is per, which means the phrase for each. You may have noticed the word per when we talk about speed. The letters mph stand for miles per hour. For example, this bike is going 10 miles per hour. That means the bicyclist goes 10 miles for each hour that he rides. We write the percent symbol as 2 zeros and a division bar. These are common styles. Both of these expressions say 75%. A percent is a type of fraction in which the denominator is always 100. The percent symbol reminds us of this fact. The word per is represented by the green division bar, and the purple zeros stand for the number 100. This family is enjoying some ice cream. Of the 4 people, 1 is having strawberry ice cream. What percent of these people are having strawberry ice cream? Our goal is to solve this problem. What is 1 over 4 expressed as a percent? Step 1 is to activate the division bar. We can then use a calculator to calculate 1 divided by 4, and we get 0.25. Step 2 is to multiply by 100. That gives us 25. Step 3 is to write in the percent sign. The answer is 25%. The fraction 1 over 4 equals the fraction 25 over 100, and both also equal 25%. All of the number of people in the left and right groups are different. In both groups, the portion of people who eat strawberry ice cream is the same. So these fractions are equal to each other. The group on the right has 100 people in the denominator. So the group on the right is a picture of what 25 over 100 looks like. But both the group on the left and the group on the right have a value that equals 25%. Thanks for your attention.